Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, a mom juggling holiday excitement, tiny hands, and the never-ending quest for mess-free fun, then you know Easter crafts can be equal parts magic and mayhem. This year, I was on the hunt for something that could keep my toddlers engaged without turning my kitchen into a tie-dye zone. That's when I discovered the Eggmazing Easter Egg Decorator Kit. At first glance, it looked simple enough, a spinning base and some markers. But what it promised, creative play without the chaos, felt almost too good to be true. I didn't want another plastic gadget that would gather dust after one use. I wanted something my kids could actually use, enjoy, and maybe even learn from. So we gave it a try, not just on Easter morning, but on a random Tuesday afternoon just because they asked. What happened next surprised me, and not just because there wasn't a single dye stain in sight. Let me tell you, as a mom who's endured more than a few messy Easter mornings, this Eggmazing Easter Egg Decorator Kit was an absolute game changer for our holiday craft time. I was honestly skeptical at first. How much fun could a little spinning gadget really be? But the moment I set it up and let my kids take over, I knew we had struck gold. The kit comes with this cute little spinner that holds the egg in place, motorized so it rotates smoothly, and a set of 8 vibrant, quick-drying markers. No more dye cups splashing all over the table or sticky fingers from food coloring. Everything just clicks into place. Pop in 3 AA batteries, slide the switch, and the egg spins like it's on a crafty little carnival ride. It made decorating feel more like play than work, and my kids were hypnotized by the spinning, giggling every time they added a new swirl of color. Honestly, it turned what used to be a cleanup nightmare into one of the most joyful moments of our Easter prep. One of the things I love most is how perfectly it works for little hands. My 3-year-old, who usually needs help with everything from snapping clothes to holding crayons correctly, managed to use this almost entirely on her own. Sure, she struggled a little with the marker caps at first. Those can be a bit snug, but after a quick demo, she figured it out and was zooming and drawing like a pro. The markers themselves are fantastic, no strong smells, which I really appreciate, and the colors are these soft, pretty pastels that blend so beautifully. You literally can't make a bad design. Every egg came out looking like something you'd see in a spring boutique. We used real eggs, hard-boiled, of course, and they held up great. Even my older son, who's 4, got into it, making stripes, zigzags, and what he called space patterns. It kept both of them busy for over an hour, which for kids that age is a small miracle. As a mom, that kind of sustained, mess-free focus is worth its weight in chocolate bunnies. We've also found ourselves pulling this out outside of Easter. No joke. It's September as I'm writing this, and last weekend, my daughter asked if we could do the spinning eggs again. So we boiled a batch just for fun. That's how much she loves it. I think part of the appeal is how creative it makes her feel. She's making choices, designing, seeing immediate results. Those are little confidence builders you don't always get with simple coloring books or stickers. And I'll admit I've joined in too. There's something so satisfying about watching the egg spin while you draw a steady line and see it transform into a cool spiral. It's not just a kid toy, it's a family activity. I can totally see why someone would buy a couple of these if they're hosting multiple kids or want to let the grown-ups join in without feeling silly. Plus, cleanup? Almost non-existent. Just wipe the spinner base if a bit of marker rubs off, and the markers cap securely. No spilled dye, no stained tablecloths, no bath time emergency afterward. Now, full transparency, there are a few tiny things to keep in mind. The kit works best with medium to large eggs. We tried a couple of our smaller backyard chicken eggs, super cute, but tiny. And they didn't grip well in the holder, just slipped or didn't spin right. So if you're using farm fresh or duck eggs, make sure they're big enough. Also, if you ever switch to other markers, say, food safe pens you already have, the wheels might pick up some color and transfer it to the next egg. We learned to wipe it down quickly between designs, just to be safe. The included markers didn't seem to cause that issue much, but better safe than sorry. And while the device feels sturdy and has held up through multiple uses, I do keep an eye on the battery life. So far, one set has lasted us through several sessions, but I know eventually they'll need replacing. Still, none of this is a deal breaker, just little things to know going in. What really sold me is how this activity supports learning and development without feeling like school. My kids are practicing fine motor skills, experimenting with colors and patterns, and building independence because they're not waiting for me to help them dip eggs or mix dyes. They're in control. And when they hold up their finished eggs with that proud, "Look what I made" grin, that's priceless. It's not just about Easter, it's about giving kids a chance to create something beautiful all on their own. I've already told two friends they need this for their toddlers, and I'm seriously considering buying another one just so we can decorate side by side without taking turns. It's that fun. At around $17, I'll admit it's not the cheapest craft kit out there. But when I think about how many times we've used it, how much joy it's brought, and how much easier it's made my life as a mom trying to balance fun and practicality, it's absolutely worth it. This isn't a one-day wonder that gets shoved in a closet. It's become a seasonal favorite, maybe even a new tradition. If you're looking for a creative, low-stress way to celebrate Easter, or just want a screen-free activity that keeps little hands busy and big hearts happy, this spinner kit is a brilliant choice. It's simple, magical in the way only childhood crafts can be, and honestly, it makes me feel like a rock star mom for finding something they love that doesn't leave my kitchen looking like a crime scene. 10 out of 10, we'll be doing this again next year, and probably the year after that too. If you're ready to spin your Easter chaos into creative joy, give the Eggmazing kit a whirl. You won't regret it. If this helps you find a fun, mess-free activity your kids will beg to do again, do me a favor. Like this video and subscribe so we can keep sharing smart, simple wins for busy parents. Let's make family time magical, one spinning egg at a time.